If you need to have focused, private conversations with specific people on your team, create a private channel. Most channels are standard ones. Everyone in the team can see these channels, as well as view and participate in conversations, share files, and more. But with a private channel, members of the team must be specifically added to participate in it and see content, and to see it appear in the list of channels. Go to the team you want to create a private channel for and select More Options, Add Channel. Type a name and description. Under Privacy, select the down arrow and choose Private, accessible only to a specific group of people within the team. Then select Next. Type in names to invite people, including guests. Note that people must already be members or guests of the team to be added to a private channel. When you're ready, select Add. People you've added will see it show up in their channel list. They'll know it's a private channel because a lock appears next to the name. And they can start using it right away. To see everyone who's a member of a private channel, select the Open People pane. When you share a file in a private channel, it's viewable and accessible only to those with access to the channel. These shared files live in a separate SharePoint site away from the standard channels in the team. This ensures access only to members of the private channel. And if you need to meet with just this set of people about a specific topic or shared file, select Meet Now to connect with them in this channel.